on this episode of Outside with Boo. It's gonna be fireworks. It's gonna be raining fireworks. Fireworks raining fireworks. He's my bodyguard. Yeah, that too. Me too. Alright, let's just do a parkour. Let's parkour. Here, film me parkour. Film me parkour. It's raining a little bit, and we're fine because it's waterproof. A hurricane that way is about to hit, so it may not hit here, it may hit that way. The news doesn't. Let me say something. The name is Hurricane Dorian. There's a close chance that it will hit landfall in Florida, so we don't know. And there's a chance that it might break up before it hits us. But it and him. Hey, don't forget, y'all are still my bodyguards. Oh yeah, I know. It's kind of raining, if you can't see. Look at their dog. He caught all them. See, there's a big hurricane. As you can see, it's raining. It's blue in that little spot right there. There's just a little blue spot. And it's raining. The storm is coming. That looks like the hurricane over there, right there. The hurricane. Let's do a role play. Okay, let's do a role play. So pretend like there's a war and we're gonna be fighting other people. Pretend fight. I can hold it next to you. You're done. But whoever has the camera, say your name, then say Cam. Okay. Like right now it's Boom Cam. Boom Cam, we're back. It's Mason Cam. Alright, it's Mackenzie Cam. The war's starting. Alright, pretend war. Chloe Cam. Alright. Let's do this thing! Oh! So I got a camera. And this is Dorian right now. Like, I'm scared, like you can see the clouds. Let's go over to the fire. Is that your new GoPro? Alright, let's film it. We have to help our fire. Exciting. We've been filming for 5 minutes. Time for music break. Music break. We'll be back for Hurricane Dorian in 10. See, it says on this thing, barbecue is gonna be in there, sweet young drinks. My mom's making broccoli salad, and man, it is the bomb. You wanna do Twix shots? What's that? Alright, so let's keep studying. Let's go over there and study the waves. Alright, so the waves are really hitting very heavily. Woo! And they are really big. Mostly at the bay they are not very big. Show them what happened to the bridge. So it broke, but the hurricane knocked all the bridges down, other piers down. throw that pier down.
Look at her cool necklaces.
I want to hold the camera. Yeah, you can. Outside with Boom is amazing, so you guys need to go subscribe. And today we are watching fireworks. Alright, we're gonna back up. Let's back up. There he goes. Okay, there he is. Make sure to like and subscribe, and remember, stay awesome. Yeah, 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 bunch of fireworks, yeah.